It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we're going to fix the outside taps. I have two of them that decide to stop working. It's like they're stripped inside or something. I'm going to show you the best way I've found to fix one of these taps. First thing you do is go in and turn off the water. Normally there's a tap just before the hydrant. The hydrant goes into the house, so when you shut it off, the water will drain out and it won't freeze going into the house, so you can use the tap in the winter. Before that, in the line, they normally put a tap, so I'm going to go down and turn it off. So we're down in the basement, and there's the end of the hydrant. And normally you have a tap that you can shut off just before the hydrant. So you shut that off, and then we'll go out and change it. I went to Rona and I tried to find a repair kit for these, and they don't sell them. The only thing I did find was the whole tap, and I thought, you know what? I can unscrew the center part of the valve, put the new one in, it'll all be fixed, and I don't have to try to unscrew it and pull it out of the house and everything. So that's probably what we're gonna do. I have no idea why they would not make a repair kit for this, except the fact that they want you to go and buy a new one, I guess. So we're gonna take this off. Okay, so you get a wrench, put it on here, get an adjustable. Make sure you hold it so you don't twist it off in the house. And you just unscrew it the rest of the way and pull it out. You get the new tap and you take this one apart and you pull the new valve assembly out. So you got the new valve assembly, and you'll see at the very end that is what actually shuts off the water, and it goes way into the wall. On the end of this you can see these little notches, and they don't always go in. You turn it, slides in, and there's little notches in here that line up with this nylon bushing. And you slide it in. Make sure you turn the tap to the open position before you tighten this up, because you could actually probably bend the rod. So once it's all in there, you can shut it off, and we'll go in and turn on the water and see if it works. Open the tap, and I'm going to put my tile back in position. Okay, so let's see if this thing works. So there you go, another thing off the list, but I have a lot more to do. Winter's coming, and I still have to winterize the chickens and do a lot of stuff. So I'm always behind. So hopefully in the next few weeks I'll try to catch up with these little things, and we can start cutting firewood after that, which is a little more exciting to me. So that's enough for tonight, and you guys have a good one.